Okay, let's look at another example of compound interest. If the case for the annual interest rate change after certain period. Okay, so example here, on 1st January 2014, Hidayu bought shares worth 25,000. Okay, so meaning that at 1st January 2014, so at t equal to 0, P, the principal here is 25,000. Okay. The company offers 6.5% interest compounded semi-annually for the first 2 years. Okay, so for the first 2 years, meaning that at date 1st January 2016. Okay, so the interest offered, the interest offers is 6.5% compounded semi-annually. So I is equals to 0.065 divided by semi-annually, so it's divide m is equals to 2. Okay, so we can simplify this into 0.0325. Okay, and then but it decreases to 5.5% compounded quarterly for the rest of the investment period. Okay, so we look at the question A. Find the accumulated amount on 1st January 2016. So we want to find S on 1st January 2016. Oh, see this one. Okay, sorry. Okay, so we want to find S here. Okay, so N. Okay, before that, this one is 25,000. K is 0.065, M is 2, and T is equals to 2 years. So I 0.0325. Okay, so N is equals to M times T. So 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Okay, so we find the accumulated amount at the on 1st January 2016. Okay, we plug in all the values. P 25,000 times 1 plus 0.0325 power of 4. So the amount is 28,411.9. Okay. And then for question B, find the future value after 10 years of the investment. Meaning that we want to find the future amount on 1st January 2024. Okay, 10 years. Okay. So for question B, to solve the question B, since we have found the amount after 2 years here, so we can assume this value as the new principal in order to find the amount at the end of 10 years or for the rest of investment period. Okay, so meaning that T here is 10 minus 2 years, which is 8. Okay. Okay, so the principal here, we use the amount S, this one, at the end of 2 years. So 28,411.9. And then K or I, K, we have to find the value of K, I first, sorry. So I, okay, because the interest is decreases, which is I is 0.055 divided by, okay, interest period is compounded quarterly, so M is equals to 4. So I is equals to 0.01375. Okay. this one, n is 4, t is 8. So I is 0.01375. Okay, and then n, okay, n we use t equals to 8 and m is equals to 4. So n is equals to 4 times 8, which is equals to 32. Okay, so to find amount at the end at the end of 10 years of the investment, okay, we substitute the new principal, which is 28,411.9 times with 1 plus I. Okay, the new interest here is 0.055 compounded quarterly. So I is 0.01375, power of n. Okay, n is 32. Okay, so the future value after 10 years is 43,983.32. Okay, so for question C, to solve the question C, uh, question C is to find total interest at the end of 10 years. Okay, so you can use formula S I equal to S minus P, which is S here is we take it from amount at the end of 10 years. Okay, meaning that from question B, 43,983.32 minus with the original principal, okay, which is the original principal here is 25,000. Okay, so the total interest earned at the end of 10 years is 18983.32. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay, actually you can find another way, there is another way to find amount of interest, which is we can find by using by finding the I, okay, the first I, which is for 2 years, okay, for 2 years, and then another I, okay, another amount of interest for 10 years, sorry, for 8 years, okay. So I is equals to I1 plus I2. Okay,